This is a phone that has been out for a while now, and it's a device that I've looked at buying since its release. Here in the UK it has recently dropped in price, and it's even been sold with Google's Pixel Buds Pro packaged in as a free gift. I personally have used an iPhone for as long as I can remember, but there's something about this phone that made me want to switch things up. So here it is, the Pixel 7 Pro. I've always been a fan of the Pixel lineup, but I thought Google lost their way a little bit when they released the Pixel 5. However, since then they have started releasing phones that can genuinely compete right at the top, and I honestly believe the Pixel 7 Pro is now one of the best smartphones you can buy, and arguably the smartest smartphone too. This Pixel in particular, in white, looks so good in person. I'm obsessed with the design. It's one of those phones that I actually want to use without a case, and with it being white, I don't even have to worry about fingerprints all over the back. Google have done a really good job with this design. Now, for as long as I can remember, I have constantly used and enjoyed iOS on iPhone, but I am absolutely loving what Google are doing with Android now, and I love Pixel UI. It is a pleasure to use, and it's just well thought out. The animations, the fluidity, the design, I'm just a fan of it all. You're able to customize this to exactly how you like things, whether it be changing the UI colors or adapting the icons to match the wallpaper you're using, deciding the app grid size, and adding an endless amount of widgets. You can take things much further than you can on iPhone. Using a Pixel and noticing all of this is one of the main reasons I wanted to switch things up and move over to Android. The other reason is the camera. Now, I've always preferred the iPhone's camera compared to the competition, and that's been one of the main reasons why I have always stuck with iPhone. But for the first time, I'm looking at the quality of the images coming from this Pixel, and they look amazing. I am really impressed with what Google are doing here, and I'm excited to see where they take it with the Pixel 8 Pro. Now, I am going to go into more detail with the camera in the full review of this Pixel, so if you're interested in seeing more content on this phone, then make sure you subscribe. And I have also been keeping up with rumours recently, and one that caught my attention was this, the Google Pixel Fold. I love the idea of having a folding phone, I always have, and Google are supposedly releasing this within the next couple of months. If this is the case, I will 100% be investing in this. The only thing that I'm hoping is that it's released with the same quality camera as what's in Google's flagship devices. Now, knowing that Apple are not really close to releasing a folding phone made me think it's worth switching over now to Android. So like I said, when this Google Fold is released, I will definitely be getting my hands on that and making a ton of videos. And let me know in the comments if you're also interested in purchasing this Pixel Fold when it is finally released. So I've only been using this Pixel for a couple of weeks, but I am really enjoying it. No part of me so far is regretting moving away from iPhone, and I think for the most part I am enjoying the little things, like how it always manages to pick up what song is playing in the background, or how the Google Assistant is always available and able to do a lot more than what Siri used to do for me, or how crisp the pictures are coming out of this camera, and how I am now using all of Google's services on a Google phone. It all just works well, and that's something I've always liked about iPhone, but now Google are releasing hardware that can definitely compete. They've certainly caught my attention, and I'm excited to see what else is to come from Google at Google I/O in May. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you are still watching up to now, you should definitely subscribe. There's lots more Google content on the way, lots more videos on this Pixel 7 Pro, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.